Symbol of peace between two nations created by an artist in Sussex County. A Lewis artist was recently invited to the White House for a meeting between President Biden and Japan's Prime Minister. As WBOC's Jack Ford tells us, his art served as a gift to the nation of Japan.
Sometimes the most beautiful things come out of destruction. It's what Japanese art form of Kintsugi is born out of, creating new art out of the old. Legend says it was created over 1,500 years ago when a Japanese king had a piece broken and repaired using gold. From that, a metaphor was born.
That metaphor presents a situation where something bad happened, and if you fix it, something better gonna occur.
A long way from Japan, in his studio in Lewis, Mori Bakar and his wife, Patty, do just that. Breathe new life into what many would see as broken through Kintsugi. And just last month, an unexpected call came in from the White House, asking him to make a personal gift for Japan's Prime Minister Kishida, a symbol of peace.
Even though there had some difficulties with the White House prior, that president represent the coming together in even better form.
So Bakar and his daughter made their way to the White House and watched as two of the world's most powerful countries and leaders joined together just as his art does. And he says the trip opened his eyes just how far life and art can bring you, seen through the eyes of his simple Uber ride.
That's how I started my journey in the United States. I was driving a taxi in New York City, doing carpentry, struggling to buy a meal. And here I'm driven by somebody that did what I've done on the way to the White House. So it really struck me. You go through life, you don't realize the little increments of progression, but that ride really said it all for me.
So until the White House calls again, Bakar will be in Lewis, proving to himself and the world that just because something is broken doesn't mean it can't be beautiful. In Lewis, Jack Ford, WBOC News, Delmarva's news leader.